Hello and welcome to another makeup tutorial. Today I prepared for you this neutral cool tone glam makeup look, and if you want to see how you can achieve this look for yourself, then please keep on watching. As always, I'm starting by priming my eyes. These are PLouise bases in number 0 and 3 mixed together. To make shade that I wanted to create today, I used Inglot AMC Gel Liner in number 90, which is pretty dark brown shade. I didn't go with the black base, as for the most cases I use black base, but I wanted to keep more on the brown side. And starting off with my lower lash line, following the direction of my eye, and then moving on to my upper lid and trying to achieve this kind of winged eyeliner shape. Then moving on with the number 69, which is a lighter brown shade, and just smudging this color underneath previous color, just to make easier transition from this dark color to everything else I'm going to put later when it comes to eyeshadows. For my inner corner, I wanted it to be really sharp, so I went with darker brown color and created this sharp inner corner eyeliner look. For today's look, when it comes to eyeshadows, for the most part I use Natasha's Denona Glam Palette. And first I'm going in with the shade Lash Line, which is the darkest shade in this palette, slowly creating depth. And this color goes mainly where I applied number 90 from AMC Gel Liner. Underneath this color, it goes Smoke Shade, and just blending this color to make it transition from previous darker color. This look, however, it already looks dramatic just by applying these colors on our lower lash line. Now I'm using this even more lighter brown shade and just trying to make another transition from this color to my skin. I'm using this color as a last transition shade for this part. Next color is from Ilamasqua Artistry palette. I don't know even if you can see the shade of this color, because it has been almost, I used this color almost all that I had. And it's such a beautiful neutral kind of light sand color, so beautiful for a transition. Going in with this color into my crease and blending this color all the way. Now from the lightest color, I'm going back to the darkest, and I am actually using all the same colors, just on the different direction. So from the light, here I go from the lightest to the darkest color. And I've also used this, a little bit of this crease shade. Took my time to blend this outer part of my eye, and this will really make that lift effect. The footage here has been a little bit blurred, but I applied this same color from Ilamasqua palette in my inner corner. I didn't want to my inner corner be super bright, but just keep it really like skin tone neutral. Using this color right here, I did add a little bit of highlight underneath my eyebrow. At the end, I took a little bit of black matte eyeshadow. This one was from the same Ilamasqua palette, but you can use any matte black eyeshadow. After I curled my eyelashes, I used some waterproof mascara. This one is from Catrice. And then this is Diva eyelashes, but since my outer corner of my eye was super intense, I went in with few of individual eyelashes just to make that end a little bit thicker when it comes to eyelashes. And I apply some mascara onto my bottom eyelashes. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!